what's up YouTube? Tiara here. Again, I am back with another SheaBassador box. They sent me an email and they said that I was going to be getting a couple different boxes throughout this year, and I guess this is a bonus box, is what the email said. Oh, I apologize. My daughter's awake. Usually I don't do my videos until she's asleep, but I really wanted to know what was inside, so sorry if she's making noises at me. Alright, so let's bust into this. Let's see what's inside. Tape off here. Here we are in. So it looks like this time they sent me the Rehydrate, Soften, and Restore line with coconut milk and, man, I'm gonna have to look up how to say that, but today we're gonna go with Acacia Senegal? Yeah. That's what we're gonna try, Acacia Senegal. Hopefully that's how you say that. I'm gonna look that up because I'm really not sure how to say that. This is actually really exciting because I love coconut, like everything coconut. Coconut line sounds the best to me. Oh man. This is bath powder? Bath powder? I've never even tried bath powder. Check that out. Also got rehydration hot oil treatment. Oh, this box sounds nice. Alright, so let's see here. Oh, this is for my hair. A nice hot oil treatment on my hair. Oh, this sounds really nice. And an eye mask. I got an eye mask this time. Oh, babe, you want to see? You want to be in this unboxing video? This is my daughter. Looks like we got an eye mask this time. That's kind of cool. Sleep with that on. And a Daily Glow Priming Moisturizer, which is kind of exciting as well because my first box they sent me the Daily Hydrating Jelly Moisturizer from the Bamboo Charcoal line, and I've been using that every day, and I really like it. But lately my skin's been getting oily, which isn't really the product's fault. It's usually every summer, every time it gets warm out, my skin gets really oily. So that's where I'm at right now, really oily skin. So maybe this will help. Maybe this will be nice. Since it's lightweight. Ooh, this is probably going to be really nice. Let's check that out. Daily Glow Priming Moisturizer. Ooh, and a Rehydration Treatment Mask. This one's probably going to be one of my favorite products because it's coconut, it's hydrating. Why wouldn't I love it? Oh, this is going to be exciting. Yeah, this looks really nice. This is going to be super awesome. Thank you so much, SheaMoisture. I think I might have to take a bath tonight. Let's look at that actually. Like, I've never had bath powder before. It says, pamper your skin with a soothing and moisturizing milk bath. Oh, I'm gonna take a bath tonight. This is gonna be exciting. I've never tried any of these products, so definitely stay tuned for videos. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video and you want to see what I get in my next few boxes, if you want to see what's in my next videos like this, subscribe, stay tuned. Thanks. Come back. Alright, so I just checked, and it's pronounced so I just checked and it's pronounced Acacia Senegal. So this is the 100% virgin coconut oil Rehydrate, Soften, and Restore line with coconut milk and Acacia Senegal. That's a mouthful, but I have two products from this line. I have two products from this line. I have the Daily Face Lotion, and I have the Coffee Scrub, two products that I love. The Coffee Scrub, oh my god, it's my favorite. It makes your skin amazing. And the Daily Face Lotion, I really like it too because I really like the daily face lotion as well because I really like the daily face lotion as well because it's really hydrating and it also doesn't really make my face feel greasy, which a lot of products do immediately after I put them on. So I really do enjoy this line already. I'm just so excited. Bath powder, hot oil treatment mask, glowing color, eye mask. What am I gonna do? I'm just so excited. I'm gonna go feed my babies, what I'm gonna do. Thanks, Shea Moisture.